This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by dougalbert. Wow! This house is amazing. The pictures don't convey the beauty. It has a beautiful kitchen with custom cabinets, granite countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, and tiled backsplash that overlooks a cozy family room. Impeccable flooring throughout. All 3 bathrooms have newer vanities and custom tile work. Upstairs can be used as a second primary or guest suite. Converted garage features a secondary kitchen and room for a playroom, etc. A huge 2-story shed in the back and a separate shed for the above-ground pool equipment. Driveway can fit up to 10 cars. This is a must-see. Located in a quiet neighborhood not far from interstates and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact dougalbert at 757-286-2799.